Welcome to Flavors for Life Culinary Movement. Let's see what is the best nutrition for us kids.
There's no doubt that food plays a key role in our health. In sharing the best nutrition for us, kids can help promote our growth and development, support our immune function, and set long-term healthy eating habits.
Ensuring the best nutrition for us kids may affect our growth and development, our bone formation, our immune health, our cognitive function, our dental health, our disease prevention.
4 steps to ensure the best nutrition for us children.
1. Consume nutrient-dense foods. It's important to fill our diet with a variety of nutrient-dense whole foods. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, healthy proteins, and omega-3 fatty acids.
2. Drink water. Hydration is also a key component in our nutrition. Drinking enough water regulates everything from cell function to body temperature and beyond.
3. Minimize added sugars intake. Added sugars are typically high in calories and low in nutrients, and they may also put us at risk for weight gain. Swapping fruit juice for whole fruits and serving water in place of sugar-sweetened beverages can help us cut back on our sugar consumption.
4. Avoid trans fats. Trans fats are frequently found in processed and fried foods. Limit consumption of these foods and select healthy fats instead, like olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds.
For more information about the Flavors for Life culinary movement, please visit www.flavorsforlife.org.